everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Hideout.
Hello, friends. We are very happy to be here with you today.
Yes, we are. I'm Alicia.
And I'm Travis.
Today, we are going to talk about daily routines.
That's right. We will talk about our morning routines and the things we do every day.
This is a very useful topic because everyone has a daily routine.
Exactly. We wake up, brush our teeth, eat breakfast, go to work or school,
and sometimes drink too much coffee.
Yes, that is very true.
And while you listen today, you can practice your English with us, slowly and naturally.
Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join our English learning family here at Daily English Hideout.
Okay, Travis, are you ready to talk about your morning routine?
I think so, but please don't ask me what time I wake up on weekends.
Oh no, is it very late?
Very late. Sometimes my breakfast becomes lunch.
That is honestly impressive.
Thank you. It is a special skill.
All right, everyone, let's begin.
Okay, so Alicia, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, that is early.
Yes, a little early. I like quiet mornings.
I understand that. Mornings can feel very peaceful.
Exactly. I wake up, sit in bed for 1 minute, and slowly open my eyes.
That sounds very calm.
It is. I do not like jumping out of bed quickly.
Me neither. Sometimes my alarm rings and I look at it like it is my enemy.
Yes, sometimes the alarm clock is not our friend.
Not at all.
After I wake up, I get out of bed and go to the bathroom.
Good. Very normal, very human.
I hope so. First, I brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Then, I wash my face.
Wash my face.
These are very common morning expressions.
Yes, let's say them slowly together.
Brush my teeth.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Wash my face.
Very good.
After that, what do you do?
I go to the kitchen and make coffee.
Ah, yes, coffee, the most important morning activity.
For many people, yes.
Honestly, I cannot imagine mornings without coffee.
Really?
Yes, before coffee, I am not Travis.
Who are you?
A sleepy potato.
A sleepy potato.
Yes, a very tired potato.
That is funny.
So, while your coffee's making, what do you do?
Sometimes I check my phone.
Me too.
I look at messages, emails, or the weather.
Oh yes, I always check the weather.
Why?
Because one day, I wore a big winter jacket.
Okay.
And it was very hot outside.
Oh no.
Yes, I was sweating all day.
That sounds terrible.
It was a bad fashion day. So now, I always check the weather first.
That is smart.
Thank you. I learned from my mistakes.
After coffee, I usually make breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat toast, eggs, and fruit.
That sounds healthy.
Sometimes healthy.
What does that mean?
Sometimes I also eat pancakes.
Ah, now we know the truth. I love pancakes.
Me too.
My breakfast is usually simple.
What do you eat?
Toast and coffee.
Only toast and coffee?
Sometimes cereal.
Travis, I think you need more breakfast.
Maybe, but I am always sleepy in the morning.
I understand. Listeners, what do you eat for breakfast?
Yes, think about your answer in English.
Maybe you eat eggs.
Maybe bread and tea.
Maybe noodles.
Or maybe just coffee.
A sleepy potato breakfast.
Okay, Alicia. After breakfast, what do you do next?
I get dressed for work.
Simple and easy.
Yes, I usually wear comfortable clothes.
Me too. Comfort is important.
Exactly. Then I pack my bag and leave the house.
Do you drive to work?
Sometimes, but usually I take the bus.
I like bus rides.
Really?
Yes, I can listen to music or podcasts.
That is true.
Sometimes I look out the window and think about life.
Wow, very deep, Travis.
Yes, very dramatic before 8 a.m.
Do you ever miss your bus?
Oh, yes, many times.
Really?
One time, I was running for the bus with a banana in my hand.
Why did you have a banana?
It was my breakfast. I was late, the bus was leaving, and I ran very fast.
Did you catch the bus?
Yes,
Good.
but then I dropped the banana.
Oh no.
Yes, very sad moment.
Poor banana.
Poor breakfast. Okay, listeners, let's practice some useful phrases together.
Listen carefully and repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I make breakfast.
I make breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Very nice.
Great job, everyone.
Even if your English is not perfect, keep practicing slowly.
Yes, small practice every day helps a lot.
Okay, Alicia, let's continue talking about our routines.
All right?
What time do you usually start work?
I usually start work at 8:30 a.m.
And what do you do first?
First, I check my emails.
Same here.
Then I organize my tasks for the day.
You sound very organized.
I try to be.
I try too, but sometimes my desk looks very messy.
Really?
Yes, papers everywhere.
Oh no.
One time, I could not find my notebook.
Where was it?
On my chair. I sat on it for 20 minutes.
That is actually very funny.
Thank you. My life is full of small disasters.
Small disasters.
So, listeners, here are more useful expressions.
Check my emails.
Check my emails.
Start my work.
Start my work.
Organize my tasks.
Organize my tasks.
Very good.
Okay, Alicia, let's talk about lunch.
Good idea. I love lunch.
Me too. Lunch makes me happy.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
Usually rice, chicken, or sandwiches.
That sounds good.
And sometimes pizza.
Yes, the truth again.
What about you, Alicia?
I usually eat something simple like salad, rice, or soup.
Do you cook every day?
Not every day.
Good, because cooking every day is hard.
Very true.
Sometimes after work, I feel too tired to cook.
Me too.
So I open my fridge and hope food magically appears.
Does it work?
No, very disappointing.
That's funny.
Listeners, what is your favorite lunch?
Tell us in your mind.
Or tell us in the comments later.
Yes, English practice can be simple and fun.
Exactly.
Okay, Travis, what do you usually do after work?
After work, I go home and relax for a little while.
That sounds nice.
Yes, sometimes I sit on the sofa and listen to music.
I like doing that too.
Or sometimes I watch funny videos online.
That can be dangerous
Why?
because one funny video becomes 10 funny videos.
That is true.
And suddenly, 3 hours are gone.
The internet is very powerful. Do you exercise after work?
Sometimes I go for a walk.
Walking is great.
Yes, it helps me relax.
I also like evening walks.
Do you walk fast or slow?
Very slow.
Why?
Because I am thinking deeply about life again.
Yes, very dramatic.
Exactly.
Sometimes I listen to music while I walk.
That sounds peaceful.
It is.
Okay, everyone, let's practice more English together.
Repeat after us slowly.
After work, I relax.
After work, I relax.
I listen to music.
I listen to music.
I go for a walk.
I go for a walk.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I make dinner.
I make dinner.
Excellent.
You are doing a great job, our dear listeners.
Yes, keep listening and keep practicing every day.
Daily practice is very important.
Even 10 minutes helps.
Exactly.
Okay, Alicia, what do you usually do before bed?
Before bed, I take a shower and read a book.
That sounds relaxing.
It helps me sleep better.
I usually watch videos for too long.
The classic mistake.
Yes, I say just one more video.
And suddenly, it is midnight.
Exactly.
That happens to many people.
Listeners, please sleep earlier than me.
I agree with you.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Usually around 10:30 p.m.
That is good.
I try to sleep 7 or 8 hours.
Sleep is important.
Very important and healthy too. What else do you have to say, Travis?
Okay, everyone, before we finish, let's review some useful daily routine expressions.
Wake up.
Brush my teeth.
Wash my face.
Make coffee.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Check emails.
Have lunch.
Go home.
Relax.
Make dinner.
Go to bed.
Wonderful.
These are very useful English phrases for daily life.
And remember, simple English is good English.
Yes, you do not need difficult words to speak English well.
Just practice every day.
Slowly, clearly, and confidently.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We hope this episode helped you practice English in a fun and relaxing way.
And before you go, please like this video, subscribe to Daily English Hideout, and continue learning English with us.
And tell us in the comments,
what is one thing you do every morning?
do you drink coffee?
Do you eat eggs?
Or are you also a sleepy potato like me? We would like to hear from you.
Take care, everyone.
Keep practicing your English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.